Good morning. For today's video, our topic is multiplying fractions and mixed forms. Today, our story is all about a boy who is diligent and hard working. Nico harvested 2 and 3/4 kilograms of carrot from his vegetable garden. He sold 211 of it in the market and the rest in the neighborhood. How many kilograms were sold in the market? Again, Nico harvested 2 and 3/4 kilogram of carrot from his vegetable garden. He sold 2/11 of it in the market and the rest in the neighborhood. How many kilograms were sold in the market? But before that, what are the steps in multiplying fraction? Step 1. Change the given mixed number to improper fraction. 2 and 3/4 times 2/11. Our mixed number here is 2 and 3/4. So let's change this mixed number into improper fraction. First, multiply the denominator and the whole number. So 4 times 2 will give us 8. After that, add the product to the numerator. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So our improper fraction now is 11/4. Step number 2, multiply the numerator. So we have 11/4 times 2/11. So let's multiply 11 and 2. 11 times 2, the answer is 22. Step number 3, multiply the denominator. We have 11/4 times 2/11. So let's multiply 4 and 11. 4 times 11, the answer is 44. Step number 4, write the answer in lowest term. So our answer is 22 over 44. What are the prime factors of 22? So we have 2 times 11. How about 44? We have 2 times 2 times 11. So we need to cancel their greatest common factor or GCF. And that is 2 and 11. So 2 times 11, the greatest common factor here is 22. Since there is no number in the numerator's place, we will put our special number, and that is 1. In our denominator's place, we have 2. So the lowest term for 22 over 44 is 1/2. Now, the final answer here is 1/2 kilograms of carrots were sold in the market. Let's try another method in multiplying fraction, and that is the cancellation method. So we have 11/4 times 2/11. So first, we need to factor or to give the prime factors of the given number. So for 11, it's still 11 because 11 is a prime number. 2 is also a prime number. So now let's proceed with 4. 4 is a composite number, so we can factor it as 2 times 2. So let's now proceed with the cancellation method. 11 and 4. Do they have a common factor? None. How about 2 11s? Do they have a common factor? None. How about 11 and 11? Do they have a common factor? Yes, and that is 11. So we can cancel 11. And it will be replaced by 1. Next, do they have a common factor? 2 and 4? Yes, and that is 2. So we can cancel 2. And we also cancel another 2. So the remaining number here is 1 half times 1 over 1. So let's multiply the numerator. So 1 times 1 will give us 1. And 2 times 1 will give us 2. So the answer is 1 half. Let's proceed with example number 2. First, change the given mixed number to improper fraction. We have 3 and 3/5 times 9/10. So in this case, the mixed number is 3 and 3/5. So again, multiply the denominator and the whole number. So 5 times 3 will give us 15. Then add 15 to the numerator. 15 plus 3 will give us 18. So the improper fraction for 3 and 3/5 is 18/5. So let's now proceed with step number 2. Multiply the numerator. 18/5 times 9/10. So let's multiply 18 and 9. So 18 times 9, the answer is 162. Step number 3. Multiply the denominator. So 18/5 times 9/10. So 5 times 10 will give us 50. Step number 4. Write the answer in lowest term. So what are the prime factors of 162? So we have 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. How about 50? We have 2 times 5 times 5. So we will now cancel the greatest common factor or GCF, and that is 2. Now, let's multiply the remaining numbers. For the numerator's place, we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 will give us 9 times 3, 27 times 3 will get 81. In our denominator's place, we have 5 and 5. So multiply 5 times 5. The answer is 25. So the lowest term for 162 over 50 is 81 over 25. But if you will observe, the given fraction, 81 over 25 is not a proper fraction. It is an improper fraction. So we need to change this into a mixed number. So step number 5, if the answer is improper fraction, change it into mixed number. So 81 over 25. So 81 divided by 25, the answer is 3. 3 times 25, the answer is 75. 81 minus 75, the answer is 6. So, the mixed number for 81 over 25 is 3 and 6 over 25. So, the final answer for example number 2 is 3 and 6, 25. Or 3 and 6 over 25. Let's proceed with example number 3. Again, step number 1, change the given mixed number to improper fraction. So we have 4 and 5 6 times 18 over 29. Our mixed number here is 4 and 5 6. So first, multiply the denominator and the whole number. So 6 times 4 will give us 24. Add 24 to the numerator. So 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. So the improper fraction for 4 and 5 6 is 29 over 6. Step number 2. Multiply the numerator. 29 over 6 times 18 over 29. So 29 times 18, the answer is 522. Step number 3. Multiply the denominator. 29 over 6 times 18 over 29. So let's multiply 6 and 29. 6 times 29, the answer is 174. Step number 4. Write the answer in lowest term. What are the prime factors of 522? So we have 29 times 2 times 3 times 3. And 74 we have 29 times 2 times 3. So we need to cancel all the greatest common factor of this given number. So 29, 2, and 3. In this case, the remaining number in our numerator's place is 3, while in the denominator's place, there is no number remain. So we will put our special number, and that is 1. So that is 3 over 1. Since the denominator is 1, so we can now also eliminate 1 and make it 3 wholes. Remember, if the denominator is 1, you don't need to write it as the denominator. Just write the whole number or the numerator itself. You can eliminate 1 as a denominator in this given number as your final answer. So, the final answer here is 3. Always remember, how do we multiply a fraction by a mixed form? First, change the given number to improper fraction. Second, multiply the numerator. Third, multiply the denominator. Fourth, write the answer in lowest term. And we can also use cancellation method in multiplying fraction. And now, for our math tanong of the day, Nika picked 4 and 2/3 bags of guavas at the farm. Each bag weighed 2 1/2 kilograms. How many kilograms of guava did Nika pick? Nika picked 4 and 2/3 bags of guavas at the farm. Each bag weighed 2 1/2 kilograms. How many kilograms of guava did Nika pick? Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!